Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, and supporters. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and share videos. In this episode, I will talk about changing the oil in the Mercedes 7G-TRONIC automatic transmission. So to the point. Changing the oil in the Mercedes 7G-TRONIC automatic transmission is a process that requires precision, the right tools, and knowledge. This is not a typical DIY job for beginners, because mistakes can lead to serious damage to the transmission. It is highly recommended to perform this operation in a specialist automatic transmission workshop or at an authorized Mercedes service center. However, if you have mechanical experience and want to understand the procedure, below are the general steps and key aspects. Key information before you start. 1. Oil type. It is extremely important to use the right ATF oil. In the case of 7G-TRONIC, these may be MB 236.14, MB 236.15, or MB 236.17 standards. You should check the VIN number to see what oil is dedicated to a specific gearbox. Using the wrong oil, e.g. MB 236.14 instead of MB 236.15 or vice versa, can damage the gearbox. MB 236.15 oils are often green or blue. 2. Oil quantity. For a dynamic change, you usually need about 9 to 10 liters of oil. For a static from the pan only, about 5 to 6 liters. Dynamic change is always recommended. 3. Spare parts. Gearbox oil filter, usually a filter integrated with the pan gasket. Gearbox oil pan gasket. New oil pan bolts. Mercedes recommends replacing them because they are aluminum and are tightened to a specific torque and angle. Pan drain plug gasket. New plastic overflow pipe, well, in the oil pan, used to set the oil level. Torque converter drain plug, if present in the given year and model, with washer. 4. Specialist tools. Pump for forcing oil into the gearbox. Oil is poured from the bottom through the drain/overflow plug. Tools for unscrewing the pan and plugs. Allen keys, torque sockets. Diagnostic computer, e.g. star diagnosis/Sentry. For monitoring the oil temperature in the gearbox and for resetting adaptations and learning new values after replacement. This is a key element. Laser thermometer, pyrometer. As an alternative to the computer, although the computer gives a more accurate reading. 7G-TRONIC dynamic oil change procedure. Simplified description. Phase 1. Draining the old oil and changing the filter. 1. Vehicle preparation. Place the car on a column lift or pit to provide safe access to the gearbox from below. 2. Dismantling the covers. Remove the plastic covers under the engine and gearbox to gain access. 3. Draining the oil from the pan. Place a container for the used oil onto the gearbox oil pan. Unscrew the pan drain plug, usually an Allen key, and allow the oil to drain. 4. Removing the overflow sump. There's a plastic tube, overflow sump, in the pan that establishes the oil level. Once most of the oil has drained, it should be broken or unscrewed to allow the rest of the oil to drain from the pan. 5. Dismantling the oil pan. Unscrew the bolts securing the gearbox oil pan. Carefully remove the pan. There's usually still some oil in it. 6. Changing the filter. Remove the old gearbox oil filter. It is pressed or screwed on. Thoroughly clean the oil pan of any dirt and metal shavings, magnetic and non-magnetic. 7. Draining the oil from the converter, if there's a plug. Many 7G-TRONIC gearboxes, especially older revisions, have a drain plug on the torque converter. To find it, rotate the engine crankshaft, e.g. with a wrench on the belt pulley, until the plug becomes visible through the hole in the gearbox housing. If there is a plug, unscrew it and allow the oil to drain from the converter. This is a key element of a dynamic change, as it allows much more old oil to be removed. On newer 7G-TRONIC Plus and all 9G-TRONIC transmissions, the converter drain plug has been eliminated, making it difficult to perform a full oil change without a specialized flushing machine or multiple static changes. 8. Installing the new parts. Install a new oil filter, new oil pan gasket, and new plastic overflow sump. Install the oil pan with new bolts to the correct torque, usually torque plus angle. Phase 2. Filling and setting the oil level. 1. Priming. Using an oil pump, begin pouring new ATF oil into the transmission through the drain hole in the pan. Initially pour in about 5 to 6 liters. 2. Starting the engine and pumping. Start the engine. At idle speed, P. Continue pumping oil. 3. Changing gears. Once the transmission is running smoothly and no grinding noises are heard, move the gear selector through all positions, PR&D and RP, pausing for a few seconds in each position. Do this several times. This will allow the oil to be distributed throughout the system. 4. Temperature monitoring. It is crucial to monitor the gearbox oil temperature using a diagnostic computer, Star Diagnosis/Sentry, or a precise pyrometer. 5. Setting the oil leveling. When the oil temperature reaches the value specified by the manufacturer, usually around 45 degrees Celsius, but always check the exact value in the specifications for a given model. With the engine running, in the P position, unscrew the drain plug of the pan again. Oil will start to flow out. Wait until the oil flow changes to a thin, intermittent stream or dripping. At this point, quickly tighten the drain plug with the appropriate torque. This means that the oil level is correct. 6. Adaptation procedure. Highly recommended after changing the oil. In many cases, it is recommended to perform the gearbox adaptation procedure using a diagnostic computer. This consists of deleting old adaptation values and relearning the gearbox, which ensures smoother operation. Sometimes it is also necessary to update the gearbox controller software. Important notes. Cleanliness. Any dirt, dust, sand are enemies of the automatic gearbox. Work in a clean environment. Tightening torques. It is very important to tighten the screws and plugs with the correct torques to avoid leaks or damage. Professionalism. If you do not have experience, the right tools and software, entrust the oil change to specialists. The cost of repairing the gearbox is many times higher than the cost of a professional oil change. Remember that the above description is a general guide. Always follow the manufacturer's service instructions, available in systems such as WIS/ASRA for Mercedes, which are dedicated to a specific model and year of the vehicle. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.